I clipped these little things onto my shirt, hit record, and thought, alright, let's see what all the hype is about. A few minutes later, I played the footage back, and my first reaction was, holy shit, because the Rode Wireless Go 2 isn't trying to be the fanciest microphone system on the market. It's trying to become the one creators trust every single time they hit record. And honestly, it gets dangerously close. Yo, what's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the place where fake influencer hype gets exposed, overpriced tech bullshit gets absolutely cooked, and companies trying to recycle old garbage as innovation get called out like the greedy little assholes they are. And yeah, if you're thinking about grabbing the Rode Wireless Go 2, I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit out after the video. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and all that good shit, because this channel stays raw, uncensored, and brutally honest. No fake hype, no sponsored bullshit. No influencers pretending every microphone suddenly turns them into the next Hollywood filmmaker. Today we're talking about the Rode Wireless Go 2, and this tiny little setup absolutely punches above its weight. Let's be honest, people spend thousands of dollars chasing better cameras. They'll argue about 4K, 8K frame rates, color science, then they'll record audio using the built-in microphone. That's some backwards ass bullshit. Nobody clicks off a YouTube video because the camera wasn't expensive enough. They click off because the audio sounds like it was recorded inside a bathroom with a potato. That's exactly why products like the Wireless Go 2 exist. The first thing you'll notice is the size. These transmitters are ridiculously small. Clip one onto your shirt, and after about 5 minutes, you completely forget it's even there. No giant transmitter hanging off your chest. No awkward cables wrapped around your neck. No looking like you're wired up for some secret FBI operation. Just clean, simple, professional, and honestly, that's exactly what creators need. Now let's talk sound quality, because that's the entire reason you're buying this thing. The recordings are clean as hell, voices sound natural, dialogue is crisp, there's plenty of detail, no weird robotic compression, no cheap radio sound, no audio that makes you sound like you're talking through a drive-through speaker. Everything just feels polished. Whether you're filming YouTube videos, interviews, documentaries, podcasts, weddings, or client work, the Wireless Go 2 delivers audio that immediately makes your content feel more professional. Now here's where Rode starts flexing, onboard recording. Bro, this feature alone can literally save an entire shoot. Imagine spending hours filming, perfect lighting, perfect performance, perfect camera work. Then you get home, only to discover your camera never recorded the audio. Normally that's enough to ruin your whole day, maybe your whole week. The Wireless Go 2 doesn't care. Each transmitter records internally, so even if your camera completely screws you over, your backup audio is still sitting safely inside the transmitter. That's not a gimmick, that's a lifesaver. Now let's talk range, because this is where cheap wireless systems completely fall apart. Random interference, dropouts, crackling, signal disappearing for absolutely no reason. The Wireless Go 2 keeps going. Walk around the room, walk outside, move naturally, film without constantly worrying whether your microphone decided to quit. You stop thinking about the gear and start focusing on your content. That's exactly how professional equipment should work. Now, battery life. And thank because nobody wants to stop recording every 2 hours just to recharge everything. The batteries easily last through long filming sessions. And once you're done, recharge them and you're ready for the next shoot. No unnecessary drama, no weird charging rituals, just reliable equipment. Imagine that. Now compatibility. This thing works with cameras, phones, computers, basically anything creators actually use, which means you're not spending an hour on YouTube searching, why won't my microphone connect? You plug it in, it works. Crazy concept. First, the price. Yeah, professional audio isn't cheap. If you're recording one TikTok every month, this is probably complete overkill. Slow the down, asshole. Know what you're buying. This system is designed for people who actually create content regularly. Second, you still need common sense. Buying an expensive microphone doesn't magically eliminate traffic noise, construction sites, screaming kids, or barking dogs. So, is the Rode Wireless Go 2 worth it? I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit. If this review helped you out, hit like, drop a comment telling me what camera you'd pair the Wireless Go 2 with, and subscribe for more real, uncensored, no bullshit tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. Until then, peace the out.